And we're back to day 3, part 2 of the Whiskey Throttle cruise, and we arrived at Key West early in the morning. But like you already know, the Fresco family has a hard time getting up early. So we woke up by 9 o'clock, but it took Ogita a good 45 minutes to get ready to go outside with the rest of the crew. But you know we wasn't gonna leave the boat without eating breakfast first. And by the time we made it outside, it was around 11 in the afternoon. And once outside, we were debating if to rent a golf cart or walked away, but we figured we need the exercise since we ate so much, and we ran into this awesome bar well known for people sticking dollars on the ceiling as a tradition. And we had to take advantage and take a few pictures because you know how it is, my family loves pictures. And then from there we headed out to world famous Sloppy Joe, baby, where we found the rest of the gang. Look at this, who's here? Who's here? Whoa! And found out the history on the name of Sloppy Joe's. And from there, the girls wanted to catch some sun. We headed to a nearby private small beach. And after that, it was time to put our legs to the test. We had a 28-minute walk to the next rendezvous point. And that was because we decided to walk through the docks and the marinas, taking the scenic route. And the long walk wasn't so bad after all. We got to see things that you normally don't see by car, scooter, or bicycle. And like usual, by the time we got there, our people, the Whiskey Throttle crew, was already there enjoying drinks, food, and pool. Oh, Albert's not here? I thought he was here. Where's Alfred? Where's Alfred? These chickens. And here's the part that I almost died from hypothermia. The pool was freezing cold. I can't believe Ogita went in all the way. Then she tried to make me go in too and got me all wet. And after a few attempts of me trying to go back in the pool, I couldn't put up with the coldness. So we left and headed back to the ship. Now if you guys want to see the complete detailed video and the other days too, it's going to be located on the link below.
Un lo frito. Frito como la papita. Lo frito.
We're crawling into the belly. Into the belly. Belly, the big belly. And once we got in, guess where we headed to? Yep, you know it, to the buffet, baby, to get more food into our belly. But with an amazing view of Key West. And if you're like me that likes boating, food, and having fun in the sun with the family, cruising is your best option. And we had such a great time on this one that we're planning for the next one. And I also noticed that you guys are enjoying the videos. Thank you so much for watching. And so far, which episode do you guys like the most? And back to eating, back to sunbathing, and back to being lazy, baby. Laziness just kicked in to maximum level. So it's been a pretty amazing cruise. You know, thanks to Alfred for inviting us and being part of this amazing trip. Tomorrow we're gonna be landing in Bimini, and that's where we're gonna have some fun in the sun, baby, at Big John's. And also Keys Deep for the amazing t-shirt. That was awesome. So we're gonna and now we're ready for tonight for our 8:30 dinner. Are you ready for tonight?
Yes, sir.
No, you ain't. No, you ain't. If you think about it, all this is walking and eating, walking and eating. Welcome to the cruise life. Nah, but it's pretty nice. You get to see different places. And I guess we'll go up. What floor are we supposed to be going? Let's go with the show. Where we going? Let me see. 12. So, look at this. This is super cool, guys, right? All the elevators go up and down here, you can see. And we got all the way down there. This is awesome. So we're here waiting for Ogida. She challenges me. Wanted to go through the stairs. And I said, follow me to the elevator. And I beat her to it. See? And I'll wait for her. So yep, she had to go to the help desk and get directions how to get here for not following me. And this part of the ship is pretty cool. We actually saw this through one of the elevators. And if I remember correctly, I think it was on the 3rd floor because we were staying on the 6th. The kids on the 10th and Cito on the 8th. And that was the only thing I didn't like about the cruise because I spoke to guest relations and tried to get all our rooms on the same floor, but the boat was to max capacity, so they didn't have no rooms available.
Dale, ponte tú.
Dale, go. And this seat here reminded me of the movie Howard the Duck. Do you guys remember that? Look at this. Oh, look at this. It's trying to get some grub on. Some grub on. Where is the table? Oh, look at the other table. Hey. Look at this. The early birds. The early birds. This is the sharpest man in the boat tonight. Woohoo! Looking nice. Looking nice.
Wait for it.
Hey, I see that green one. I like the green one.
The green one. Oh. Hello.
So we made it. Another night of stuff in our stomachs. And look, he ate the most.
I did.
And now we're just gonna browse the boat, see what we can get into.
Casino, maybe?
Casino, whatever, something. Because we're in international waters, baby. We can do things. We can do things that you can't do in regular waters.
Oh, yeah.
So let's go and show. And once again, this cruise line has surprised me because I can't believe the amount of activities they have going on while the ship is on the move. We actually did a treasure hunt on the 4th floor by the art gallery, but I didn't record it because I was so involved trying to find all the pieces. And we got 2nd place in the treasure hunt, and from there we got 100 tickets for the auction that was going to happen. And honestly, I'm really impressed with all the activities because once I boarded the ship and I seen it was so fancy and upscale, I was a little nervous thinking it was going to be boring. And they also have a movie theater, comedy shows, karaoke bar, upscale watch store, perfume, purses, women's shoes, onboard liquor store.
Put your hands on your hips, yeah. Let your with my little Lucy. Holly, holly, golly. Holly, holly, golly.
I'm gonna show you guys a quick clip that I did of a walkthrough through one of the floors. And this ship has 14 floors that's accessible to the passengers, but they don't count the 13th. Are they superstitious? To me, 13 is good luck. And right now we're walking into one of the sides of the casino. So here we have the casino area. And right now we're in port, so it's not open.
Yes,
So this is only operational once you get into international waters. I guess because of the casino laws or the gambling laws, however that goes. And then I don't know what we have back here. So I'm taking you guys a little spin around the boat. This is, I don't know what this is. Okay, I remember this. This is the karaoke bar. Have we were here before? Then we have, oh, the theater's closed. I'll show you guys the theater, but I think it's closed, I think. Oh no, something is going on there. What is going on there?
Together to reach that big, then baby we'll shoot the moon. I am killing my
That's the theater there. They do comedy shows, all kinds of stuff in there. So I'm taking you guys for a little behind the scenes of the cruise ship.
Reviews for the Celebrity Silhouette generally praise its sophisticated yet relaxed atmosphere, with many highlighting the comfortable spaces, good food quality compared to other lines like Carnival or Royal Caribbean, and a particularly well-regarded solarium. However, some criticisms include occasional complaints about repetitive food menus and entertainment options depending on personal preference. Positive aspects: comfortable and modern design. Many reviewers appreciate the ship's layout and aesthetics, finding it stylish without feeling overly pretentious. Passengers frequently commend the friendly and attentive staff. The solarium is often mentioned as one of the best on any cruise ship, providing a relaxing space to sunbathe. Overall, the Celebrity Silhouette is generally considered a good choice for cruisers seeking a sophisticated yet relaxed experience with good food and service, especially if they value a well-designed solarium.
And the time is right for dancing in the street.
And like I said already, this ship is very entertaining. But you know what's gonna be really entertaining? The next episode, because the next day we land in Bimini, baby!
Riding a limo in Bimini, boy. What? Not what?
So definitely you don't want to miss the next episode. So double check your notifications and make sure they're turned on to all. And remember to follow me on Instagram for daily activities, and TikTok, Facebook, because I only post long format videos on YouTube. And remember, you can find all the links to all the episodes on the description below.